cannot imagine what I'm watching on Sundays. You know what trash TV shows come on Sundays on the Red app. Hi, Taylor Sloan here. Welcome to VLOGMAS. So we're getting the day started. Amazon truck driving with all the doors open. That's why our stuff be coming in here. That's why our packages are delivered damaged. Cause he driving with everything open, girl. Aggravated me real quick. Hold on. All right. I love these little sets, these little two-piece sets. I love them so much. Y'all know where I get these from. QQ something. They be having all these little cute little sets. I could wear one every day. I'm about to do a little unboxing. I got a few things that I need to open up by my scissors. And I hate a dirty box. Oh, I hate a dirty box and that dirty bag. Give me the GBs. Alright, we're about to open up a dress that I ordered for an event. I need to try this on. I ordered a little neck piece. I ordered a little neck piece with it. I'm too childish because I knew I wasn't going with it. This is the model. I had it on like this. Mind you, she was about 5'10". I'm giving real five even tees. I ordered this like, why would I order that? Why would I order that? Why would I order that? Hold on. This shit is heavy as hell. I ain't gonna like this. I can tell you right now, I'm gonna return it. It was given on the website, but it ain't given right now. All right, what else we got to open, girl? These Target slides. Y'all saw them on TikTok. $9. I definitely got me. Should have got me, I'm gonna show y'all the colors that I got, but I should have bought all the colors. And then I had to get a 6, knowing I'm not a true 6, but I was scared the 5. Ooh, this might be too big. This might be too big. Let me see. I mean, they're a little long for you, girl. They're a little long for you, girl, but I think the other size was a 5, and I was scared a 5 was gonna be too exact, but they soft, and it's just gonna have to do. It's just gonna have to do what it needs to do. And the green ones are cute. I got this color green. And then I got the pink. I don't know what it is with me and pink lately, but y'all gonna just wear them inside, y'all gonna wear them outside too. Comment below. I ain't gonna hold you because I might be outside with them. Let's open up another little box. I don't really know what angle to give. There we go. This is some fragrances that I ordered. They be what? It's not. What is this? I want to smell something that's like trending right now. Hello. Got that Aphrodisiac by Initio. Y'all, this smells so good. Like, what? We're gonna save this for the tiki-taki. 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 And we got something from Beauty Bakery. Okay. A little cord. Now my big greedy self ordered 2 because I thought that this brand was like shutting down or closing down, but I might be confusing it with another brand. So I was like really heartbroken, and I was like in a panic because it's one shade in here that I really like, and it is the highlighting under eye shade, because it's, oh Lord, I can get it open. It is the Deja Brew. This right here for an under eye. Let me put this back on because I still have, I'm still using my current one that I have. But yeah, I had to stock up on these 2 because baby, I thought they were closing. But we ordered 2 pallets of the Better Not Bitter coffee and cocoa palette. Love it for an under eye. And in the previous video, I was fighting for my life, trying to tell y'all what fragrance was in the mail. I kept saying Sensual Instinct. I don't even remember what I ordered. What did I order? Initio Sensual Instinct. But this is Absolute Aphrodisiac by Initio. And I feel like I just called it Sensual Instinct a minute ago. But it's Aphrodisiac. Absolute Aphrodisiac. We just filmed our TikTok. I'll insert it either right here or right here. I don't know, like the TikTok tees, like I really be trying. Where's the, I need to go. I need a memory card. Let me find a memory card. Also, what's going on with me and these broken nails? Like, should be aggravating because like why you broken? Like why you couldn't last like all the other ones? You know what I'm saying? But I'm addicted to this girl right now. She don't smell good enough to drink as, you know, Cafe Amore, but she be smelling good too. I had saw this on TikTok. Boy, TikTok, them being in TikTok is crazy work because literally everything that I've been purchasing in the last couple of months have been TikTok. Saw this on TikTok, snatching stuff on TikTok. The girlies was wearing this as a purse and I was gonna do it, but then my friend was like, girl, don't do it. But I just want to show y'all how much I be using this palette. So that's why I bought two. Like, I have to justify me buying two. Cause look. Yep. But I'm also trying to decide like what I'm trying to cook tonight. Because I be trying to cook on Mondays. I mean, today is not Monday, today is Sunday. I be trying to cook on Sundays so I can have food for the week. And I know I have shrimp. So I'm gonna be making something with shrimp. So we about to go visit. And then while I'm visiting, I'm gonna decide what I wanna eat or what I wanna cook later. And I'll pick up the camera later. I done got bit by mosquitoes. Like, it's who has mosquitoes in December? Louisiana. And I was literally outside for 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Like, Louisiana, you're wrong for that. Because it's December and it's supposed to be too cold for mosquitoes. But here we are. I got a bite on my thigh. I got a bite on my leg. Sure. But anyway, I need to decide what I'm going to make for supper. I know for sure I have some fresh shrimp, but should we make a shrimp fettuccine, fried shrimp etouffee, you know, a shrimp bisque. I had stuffed shrimp at this restaurant the other day. I don't think I took my camera out. I don't think I vlogged, but I went to a little local restaurant and I got stuffed shrimp with like crab. I think it was like stuffed with like crab meat or whatever case may be, and it was pretty good. The crab meat was kind of overcooked a little bit, but for the most part it was good. I want to learn how to make stuff like that, like a stuffed shrimp. I'm gonna see if I have a recipe for that. I'm not doing that today. It's definitely gonna be mid. It's not gonna be nothing crazy because I need to cook my food and then watch my little trash TV on Sundays. And you could about imagine what I'm watching on Sundays. You know what trash TV shows come on Sundays on the Red app. Y'all want to see me cook? I think the first time I ever cooked or like showed any type of cooking was my first Vlogmas. Was that my first Vlogmas? And I did gumbo. So if y'all want to continue to see me cook, let me know below. I'm still trying to like figure out how I want to edit like my cooking scenes or my cooking vlogs. Like I want a real cool way to film and edit, and I know that it has a lot to do with like different angles, but I'm still in the learning phase and I still gotta do a lot of research to do when it comes to vlogging. But so I totally forgot that I put in a Walmart order for what we cooking tonight, so I have to wait for that to come through. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do some laundry and I'm gonna watch some trash TV like I said before, that's what I do on Sundays. Do not come for my trash app, the red app that starts with the Z. Yes, I'm going to get into it today while I'm doing my laundry. Okay, thank you, bye.
Camo, you cook the fuck out of this.
Late night, get you with the work, not get you. You both not get you with the clap, not get you. Late night, get you with the work, not get you.